If you're looking for a home in a quaint, cozy beach town that has some of the best beaches in Florida, then stick around for this video. That's right, shark bite capital of the world. Don't worry, it's not Jaws, it's not great white sharks. They're little, but they do take a bite out of you. That's right, we are here in New Smyrna Beach, and if you're thinking about moving to New Smyrna or visiting to check it out to see if it's a place that you'd like to live, then stick around for this video. If you're looking for Daytona, go ahead and click the link above and it'll shoot you to a video I did on Daytona. Let's go to the intro. You can see that this beach has a lifeguard, it has a safety rescue center, it's got nice picnic areas. The thing that I like about this beach is the sand. Sand to me makes or breaks a beach. Now you can drive on this beach like most beaches in Volusia County. The sand here, I just want to show you the sand, okay? Look. You see that? It's like kinetic sand. It is so fine and light. It's all over my hands now. It's so fine and light that it sticks together. Great for sand castles if you got kids. The water is a good 75 degrees today. We'll check it over here at the surf shop. Let's look at Flagler Avenue. What you will find on Flagler Avenue is unique boutique shops, restaurants that have amazing seafood with decks that overlook the ocean, different types of cuisine. You've got casual to more formal. There's a lot of renovations happening on Flagler Avenue. You won't see any chain stores here. New Smyrna likes to keep that small town quaint feeling of just unique shops. That's the only way that I can describe it. So let's take a look. Behind me, here we go. Today's water temp on November, oh, that's yesterday. Okay, just kidding. Flagler Avenue goes all the way from the beach to the river, so you could catch the sunrise and the sunset all in one day. So you can see behind me the shops of Seaside Station. It looks empty because it is early in the day, and this is probably the best time to come if you're local, if you're visiting during the week in the mornings. It's manageable. If you live here, you're thinking about living here, you're going to want to stay away from Flagler Avenue on the weekends, especially in the summer, because it gets packed. Now you can see these streets right here. You can see that the street, there's parking on both sides of the street, and so it gets very, very narrow. I drive an F-350 and it's really hard to pull down the street if another truck's coming on the other side. Got a nice little, let's see, the Beacon restaurant serving breakfast and lunch from 7 to 3. That's fantastic. Has some character. It's an old phone booth. This guy's the Flagler Tavern. They've got some really good looking appetizers. Look at the tavern towers, look at those. Oysters, steamers, cold shrimp. They got a, you know, as you can see up above there, got a bar, if that's your sort of thing. See, and this is what I'm talking about, the quaint, just the quaintness. Look at this truck. You see that? That thing's unique, the Flagler Tavern. There's just so many things here that are unique. You're not gonna see those in big city shopping centers and, you know, well laid out, designed, newer shopping centers. So a lot of taverns, a lot of live music here. You can see there's a lot of live music here. Let's see what we have. Seafood, mahi. If you come to Florida, you're gonna get used to mahi because it is on every single menu. And I will tell you, as coming from California, fish tacos here are completely different than fish tacos in California. It is an adjustment. The Mexican food's a little different. There's a lot of Cuban food here, Puerto Rican food. The food is delicious. I love the variety. I want to show you one other restaurant that's brand new that I walked inside of yesterday and recorded this very same video and realized after I was all done that I didn't press record. I didn't press record. Oh, so frustrating. So anyway, I'm too embarrassed to go back inside and ask if I can film again. So you're just gonna have to miss out. You're gonna have to come see it in person, that's all. But anyway, it's 3 stories. It overlooks, you can see the ocean from upstairs. They've got a great menu. It's really well done. It's a kind of a high scale. Steaks and burgers, and there's a bar up top. Of course, every single balcony is a bar, but you can eat up there as well. It's called the Avenue, A-V-A-N-U. You can see Kenpachi Kudo, thinly sliced sashimi style kenpachi topped with white sesame, balsamic, minced apples, radish, and a hint of fried garlic. When's the last time you had apples and radishes together? You know what I'm saying? Not me, ever, never. I kind of want to try it, but on the other hand, I'm not real sure about it. Cream, Beachside Candy Company. Come inside for good vibes. This is something that's really cool. You can pay to have a brick engraved with whatever you would like it to say. So I just want to take a look at a couple. In memory of Mary, JJ, and Zena. Love always, Ann and Flo. A lot of in memories of same time next year, girls, November 1998. Anyway, it's kind of cool. You can leave your mark here on Flagler Ave. I'm not sure how much it costs, but New Smyrna is really big with arts and crafts. They have lots of things that they put on for the community that is in the realm of arts, music. It's your, if you think of small beach town, this is what it is. I mean, a thriving small beach town. I've been to some small beach towns that were dead. Yeah, not gonna name any names, but you know, every building was empty. Not here, not here. There's some empty buildings, but not many. So we're about halfway down Flagler Avenue. We are sitting here at the Shuffleboard, the Coronado Mainland Shuffleboard Club, where you can see lots of shuffleboard courts, some people playing in the background. It's pretty neat. Ooh, I just saw a hammock. I want to go check this hammock out. I'm big on naps. Comment below what the best, okay, I got one. Comment below with the best place you ever took a nap. How about that for specific? The best place you ever took a nap. Mine is going to be Pismo Beach. Something about the cold wind blowing with the sunshine shining. That just makes me sleepy. Okay, changed my mind. The best place I ever took a nap was New Smyrna Beach, Flagler Avenue. Cool little bench right there. If you're wondering what the weather is like here in November, I'm just gonna tell you, if whatever perfect is to you, that's what it is. Perfect. It's somewhere close to perfect. Oh, bed and breakfast. They have some vacancies in on the Ave, bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast. Ooh, yay! I didn't pass it. Beachside Deli. I gotta show you. This place is awesome. I just want to show you. Beachside Deli. They have so many different sandwich opportunities. Sandwiches. It's just a really unique place. Beachside Deli on Flagler Avenue. Ocean Accents, some other competitor realty companies. Look at this. I mean, the copper patina, coppersmith, silversmith, functional artist, jewelry designer. And he is in there right now designing jewelry. I just think that's fantastic. That is so cool. Custom made jewelry. How can you go wrong? Just passing by Beachy's Beanies. Beachy Beanies Coffee House was packed. Must be a great coffee house. A lot of people there. I've been there a couple times actually. It's good. But there's a lot of people out there. That's the busiest I've seen it. It's pretty nice coffee shop. I like that the weather's so nice here that you can just be outside, getting fresh air. Fresh air is wonderful. Hi! I'm popular here. No. Tiki. One cool thing about them is they have jewelry. It's called Dune, and it's made from New Smyrna sand. Every piece of jewelry has New Smyrna sand inside of it, which is kind of unique. I'm not sure that there's another jewelry place that has. Hi. Not sure there's another jewelry store that has sand in there. I'm gonna go inside this place. Let's see. It says, let's see. Smile, you're being monitored and recorded by 32 cameras. Well, I'm gonna record them. Haha. Oh, I thought this place connected. Haha. Okay. Well, I'm standing outside here, wild side. You can see this is a place that if you're gonna come to Flagler Avenue, look at, imagine you can take your family in a golf cart on the beach down Flagler Ave, listen to tunes, go swimming, go back to you can go back to the Marriott. Look at that, Spring Hill Suites. You don't even need your car. One thing I will say is that if you're not a resident of Florida, you're gonna pay for parking. You are going to pay. I believe this particular parking lot is I think it's $10 for the day or $20 for the day, which honestly is $40 in San Francisco. So half the price, but still, if you're a resident, I think it's like 20 bucks. You can park here all year long. You can get an annual pass to utilize all the beaches in Volusia County for, I think it's like $25. Whereas if you're a non-resident, it's gonna cost you about $125. So anyway, that is Flagler Avenue. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that it brought some clarity for you. If you're looking for a home in New Smyrna or considering New Smyrna as a destination location for your beach house or anything else, I would love to show you around. Hey dreamers, thanks for watching the video. Check out the channel, like and subscribe and share content. Help me grow this channel. If you're interested in anything, you're dreaming any sort of beach lifestyle, Florida real estate, this is the channel for you. I want to create content that you enjoy, that helps you to relocate if you're thinking of moving to Florida or thinking about moving areas. Comment below with any videos or topics that you'd like to see me cover, and I guarantee that I will do a video in the next week on your comment. Until next time, it's Jason Dreams Realty, making your dreams your reality.